Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's world, video advertising is the in thing. Let's say you have a product and you want to sell or you offer services. The best way to get people's attention to what you offer, either a product or a service, is to do video advertising. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a free software to advertise your product. If you're using the free version of this software, it comes with its watermarks. But if you watch the video to the end, I'm going to show you a very simple trick how you can hide the watermarks from this free software. If you're interested in learning how to do this, especially if you're a beginner and you don't have any technical experience, then this is the video for you. Without wasting much time, let's start. First thing you need to do is to go to Renderforest. It takes you to the Renderforest website. This is a website that you can do quite free videos, logos, graphics, and what have you. So once you click on Get Started, click on Video. It takes you to a lot of video templates. You can then click on Sign In if you have an account. I already have an account. If you don't have an account, you can register for it with an email or password. Or you could also sign in with your Google account. For instance, I've signed in with my Google account. And once I have clicked on my Google account, I will be automatically signed in. So the next thing you need to do is to choose the particular video advertising format you want. So for me, for this particular video, I'm going to be using the 3D Explainer video toolkit. So once you click on that, it takes you to where you can create a new 3D Explainer toolkit. If you noticed previously, you can do any other one that you want, but that's the one we are going to be talking about in this video. Here I'm going to browse scenes and add to my project, or load a preset, or type your script. Depends on you, whichever one you want. But for this video, we are going to be choosing from ready-made templates. So once you click on that, it takes you to different kinds of templates, as you can see as I'm scrolling down. Different kinds of templates. Just take a look at it in whatever niche that you want to advertise. So I'm going to use this template, 5 tips for healthy living, to do my video product advertising. And the product I want to be advertising actually is the long reach product. As you can see, you can reduce the seconds for each of the sections of the advertisement. You can change the words, you can change the product picture. For instance, here I can change this or add a sentence to it, like eat a balanced diet that contains vitamins, and all that. So you find out that you can change whatever words you want to change in any of the video sections. It's quite easy, it's not difficult. For instance, this particular section, I don't want it. I can either change it or I can just remove it. To delete it, just click on those 3 dots can replace it with whatever I want, or I can delete it. So for instance, I want to replace it. So I click on that particular picture and it takes me to where I can change the wordings and also write what I want. For instance, I'm writing here long-rich vitamins and supplements. Contains that. So I've changed my wordings. I have changed the picture. Whatever you want to do, as you can see, it's very beginner friendly. It's quite easy. It's quite easy. Once you've done all the changes that you want, you can go ahead and then close the editing platform. So let me just do some few changes quietly. I don't like this, so I deleted it, as you can see. So it's quite easy to delete. I'm sure you're beginning to get the feel of how to do this. And you see that it's quite easy. In no time, we are going to be done with our video advert. That 7 seconds is much, so I want to reduce it so that it will not be too long. Try to make my adverts between 1 minute and 1 minute 50 seconds or 1 minute 30 seconds. It's okay. The advert should not be too long. So essentially, you go through all the different steps. I think this is our last slide. I'll just change the wordings on the last slide to register as a long-reach distributor. Okay. You can see how easy it is. Then when you finish, you now preview. Click on preview. Once you do that, it's going to spend some time to gather all your slides together. So once it's done, this is what it looks like. Then you play it. good. So the next thing is for us to, I'm going to show you a little trick on how you can remove the watermark from this particular video advert. So what you need to do now is to download it onto your computer. That's downloaded onto my computer. And we're going to see how we're going to cover the Renderforest watermark. So let's go to Canva. For those of you that do not know what Canva is a free software that you can use to do all kinds of graphics. It's a very wonderful software. I've been using it for ages. My computer is a little slow, so bear with me. So once you get to Canva, we'll click on video. It will take you to the video site. So what we are going to do, we are going to upload that video we just finished with. We're going to upload it in this video section of the Canva. So I'll get to my computer, drag and drop that long reach video onto the Canva. It takes a few minutes or a few seconds. You can see our video here being downloaded. So once the download is complete, just click on the video. Draw it to fill the square. So let's see how we're going to cover that watermark from Renderforest. So what you do, click on elements, click on this square elements. Then you're going to drag the element to cover that particular place. Then you can adjust it, turn it the way you want, so that that rectangular place is well covered. You can use any color you need. I just decided to use this particular cool brown color. So I'll just adjust it like so. And then I'll click on text. And I'm going to put my website. Just write my website. You can decide to put a logo if you have your logo there. It's still okay. I just want to write something to make it look natural. Okay, so I've written that. Your talent, your wealth. Just drag it to that particular section. So you can decide to change the color. I change the color from black to white to make it more obvious. You can do whatever you want with your text. You are free to play around with it to make it the way you want. But the most important thing is that it has covered that place. play and it will cover that place. So now that we are done, all you need to do is to download it onto your computer as an MP4 video. And once you've downloaded it, you can now upload it onto any of your social media platforms, and it will play without showing the watermarks. You can also share the link on all your platforms or send it to your email. If you have an email list, you can send it. You can send the link to advertise your product. So that is it for now. Thank you for watching. I hope that you'll be able to follow.